Hello. In this video, I will show you how to configure the MailerLite integration with Affiliate Press. Go to the Affiliate Press add-ons page. This is the Affiliate Press Features add-on page. Now, activate the MailerLite integration. Integration is activated. Now click the Configure button. This is the MailerLite integration configuration page. MailerLite requires an API key. Now go to the MailerLite dashboard page. Go to the Integrations page. Click on the API Use button. This is the Developer API page. Create a new API key and click to Generate New Token button. Enter the token name, choose IP restrictions, and confirm the terms and conditions. After that, click to Create Token button. Now, created a new token, copy the token and paste it. After that, click to Verify button. Now, MailerLite is configured successfully. First, select the group for your data store. You can change the Subscribe to Newsletter label. Click this button and refresh the mapping fields. Now, select the mapping fields. After that, click to Save button and save your changes. Now, go to the front-end side, Affiliate Press Signup page. This is the Affiliate Press Signup page. Now, enter the basic details. The data will be synced only if the checkbox is checked at the time of registration. After that, click to Create Account button. Registration is now complete, and the user is redirected to the Affiliate Panel page. Now, go to the MailerLite Subscribers page. Here you can see all the records. Now open your first record and see the user data. Now, go to the back-end side Affiliates page. Here you can see the All Affiliates record and also the newly added affiliate user.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.